Skudkashis ECEC families, Shamai Masma. For those of you that don't know me, Aniana Chugik Amber Murray. I work in Family Services. I wanted to share with you one of the fun items that you will get in your February parent engagement package. Inside this little envelope contains 10 Band-Aids, and in this message, ECEC is sending you healing vibes. Pretending with Band-Aids can help foster the development of expressing empathy, encouragement, and compassion for others every day. A child may offer a Band-Aid when they notice that a friend or a loved one is feeling ill, hurt, or having a hard time. The form of offering a Band-Aid is a way to recognize another person's distress and offer them a caring gesture. When children do this, they become more accepting of their own upset so they can move through the emotions in healthy ways. Empathy is powerful in regards to discipline because it empowers children to own their feelings rather than blame or attack others. By creating a We Care Center in your home, families can model these skills. A center often revolves around a bin or a case filled with props that help children demonstrate caring for others. Fill your center with supplies like Band-Aids, wet wipes, hand sanitizer, scented lotion, or even a tiny stuffed animal for cuddling. We hope that these items bring compassion and healing however you choose to use them. Wishing you well. Namye!
Hi everyone, my name is Pamela Prasher. I am a family advocate at the Early Childhood Education Center, and I will be sharing with you how we use the conscious discipline creams with your children. So, did you know even the youngest children can be affected by stress? Children do not always have the words to tell us how to support them, but what we can do is help them by keeping a regular routine, introducing calming activities, and acknowledging their feelings. Here we have bottles that we've turned into the Cranky Cream, the Comfort Cream, and then the Boo Boo Cream that you can use with your children. Children can use these creams to help calm themselves during moments of upset, or they can offer them as an expression of empathy and compassion. So when you notice a child is in distress, offer the lotion and ask which cream would be helpful to them. Assist them as needed, and once the calming need is identified, then you'll create a calming ritual with them. At first, you will do these calming rituals together, but then eventually they will be able to calm themselves with this helpful aid. So, you can use these words to help your child. Arman, you seem like you're having a difficult time.
Yes.
What would be helpful? The Cranky Cream, the Comfort Cream, or the Boo Boo Cream?
Cranky Cream.
Okay, the Cranky Cream. Alright. Okay, let me put some on my hand. Okay, where would you like me to put them? Put it.
On my cheeks.
On your cheeks. Okay, ready? Bye bye, Cranky. Bye bye, Cranky. Bye bye, Cranky. It's time to say goodbye. Oh, got it. Oh, how did it feel?
Good.
Did it, Arman? We hope that this helps you and your child connect with one another, and that you can help your child use these creams to help self-regulate. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.